Okay, hey everyone, welcome to the stream. I am, ready. Is there anything on the screen? No, okay. So, yeah, hello everyone, welcome to the stream. This clock is a little bit, empty. It is not working. Okay, I'm gonna need to fix this. Auto stop is disabled. Okay, good. So I'm gonna hit stop. I'll fix the clock and I'll be right back. Yep, alright, excellent connection. We're back. We got the clock all ready. Let's just get right back into it. So where did we leave off? So we're going to run the Open Mandriva virtual machine from last time. And where did I leave off? I left off on chapter 5.4. So does my microphone. So does my microphone. So does my microphone. How do I create a custom server for a Nintendo DSi eShop? I don't know. My microphone seems a little bit too quiet. There we go. Is that better? Oh, I think there's a problem. Oh wait, no, yeah, that's fine. So, fast fetch, can't type. There we go. We have our fast fetch, and there we go. And audio works and everything. Did you know that Windows not only starts faster than any previous version, it also runs your programs more quickly and reliably than ever? If a program becomes unstable, you can close it without... I'm so bored. I'm posting things Windows XP setup gives me. Oh. Yeah. Well, anyway, is SSH running? System CTL status, SSHD. No. IPA. Where's my IP address? Alright, so it is SSH 192.168.112.119. No, it's 122.119. We're in. And let's go on to the Linux from scratch handbook. LFS. Read online. Oh, and I forgot I need to do my ping. Almost forgot. YouTube announcements. Here we go. At notify video uploads. I need a link. I need a link here. Where is my link? Where? What? Stop. Red circle live. Bop. Publish. And here we go. So we are on chapter 5.4. We can minimize. Where were we? What do we do? Building LFS in stages. Alright, so su LFS. The MNT LFS partition must be mounted. There we go. So we can mount /dev/vdb2/MNT/LFS. Oh. Let's see, chat. Hello, 486 Tech. Welcome to the stream. did I mount it to, I assume I mounted it to VDB1 to MNT, no, to boot EFI. If any of you were here in the previous stream, you can confirm that, but I'm just going to mount it there. Sudo mount /dev /VDB1 LFS and swap on VDB3. Now we need to get back in LFS, right, CD LFS, clear. Clear, alacrity, unknown terminal type. Hold on. I don't have sudo. Oh, and I just typed in clear again. I'm gonna go in here and sudo install alacrity. My theory is that Windows 11 exists because they found out they set an end of support date for Windows 10, so they changed some of the UI and called it a day. Is this Linux version 2.3? No, this is 6.14. So that's good. I'm going to just run htop. Yeah, I got my water with me, so I don't need to go back and forth and back and forth. This must be done as user of LFS. The procedures and general compilation instructions are critical. Let's read. Oh, I typed an echo wrong. There we go. Bash. Did that. I'm just rereading. So we've done the API headers. Have we done the API headers? Watching the stream on my left monitor whilst playing Team Fortress 2 on the right monitor. Anyway, the Linux kernel needs to expose. Yeah, this is where we left off. Make sure so cd sources / Linux. Linux 6.13.4.tar.xz. Well, I've already extracted that, so bop. Make mer proper. The user visible kernels from the source. I'm just going to copy and paste this in because I have no idea what this is doing. But enter. Also eating Costco candy canes. So we have installed. Alright, glibc. Alright, cd / glibc. Programs using non-FHS compliant var DB directory to store their runtime. In FHS compliant locations, well, does it matter if it's FHS compliant? Back. Paste. Now we prepare glibc. Enter. Where is it? Program is generally harmless. This program is part of the Get Taxed package, which the host distribution should provide. Okay. Make it. We are making glibc. I already installed Linux on my cell phone on a website. Video where I install Arch Linux on my Wii U and actually succeed, because if you watched my previous streams like several months ago, or was it last year actually? Yeah, it was last year. If you watched my stream last year, well, I completely failed, but I figured it out. Why do I have this? If we open up Peggle on my main computer, I installed Linux on a website OS. Oh, here we go. Oh my gosh, it's lagging. Why is it lagging? Well, we have our trophy. I have a trophy. That was loud. Oh my gosh, this is lagging. Oh yeah, probably because we're compiling. I have a Nintendo Wii installed Windows 3.0, but it was difficult. Yeah, I installed Windows 3.1 on my Wii once, and it didn't really. Okay. Wow. How is okay. Well, we're not overloaded, so that's good. Let's check the system monitor. Oh no. Oh no. We're overloaded. We are overloaded with it's trying, all right. It's definitely trying. Open that I don't need open. Yeah, I can quit this. Probably help out. Steam I don't really need right now. Just pinged me. More work messages. You can install 95 on a Wii as well. Windows XP is now on the third phase of the upgrade. Yay! You can do a lot with these okay mid-2000s, early 2010s consoles. OS stuff. I don't know if it'll work on a Nintendo Wii. 2000s. Try the easiest Windows yet. Oh my gosh. Well, hey, at least our memory's okay. Resources. Yeah, it is QEMU. Yeah, that plan didn't work. Really? Oh, okay, it's done. And now our CPU is, yeah. Installing. Windows Update provides you with critical software updates and hardware support files for Microsoft registered XP, and setup gives you the opportunity to. Thank you, OS stuff. MJD did it. I also watch him too. He's pretty good. He's a good content creator. I sometimes borrow a couple ideas from him. Oh, there we go. Fix a hard-coded path. Well, that was fast. Back. No errors and everything should work. Clean up the test file. There we go. Next, cd // libst // Alright, let's see here. We're not stealing, we're permanently borrowing it. Yes, exactly. Okay. I have no idea what I'm doing. Note. It's part of the GCC sources. You should first unpack the GCC tarball and change to the GCC 14.2. Okay. CD GCC there. Let's build. Lib, and then we run this again. On it, you installed DOS 6.22. DOS 5 is the last version that properly works with Windows 1.0. And the CPU is in pain again. My capture card, hook up my Steam Deck and then do it that way. Or not. Okay, yeah, we're done. I could just the 1.04 version as it has VGA and PS2 support, so colours and mouse. Here we go, next thing. No thank you, Steam. I don't want Steam, no. So introduction. This chapter shows how to cross-compile basic utilities using a just-built cross toolchain. Has the best compatibility. Anyway, this chapter shows using the utilities will be possible in the next chapter after entering the root environment, but all the packages built in this present chapter. Therefore, we cannot be independent of the host system. cd cdm4 bap prepare M4 for compilation. How's oh, active now. I have the event is on. Account when recording on Windows, it just has OBS and VirtualBox. Alright, well, we're compiling. Once one of these things is while one of these things are compiling, cd // and cursors, just run these commands blindly, of course. Through this right now, and I'm feeling I'm pretty good. Probably because it's only 3 PM and I started pretty early. Hoping of going live a little bit longer, but and paste. I need to copy it in. How's this? My other monitor, so I can see how this is. Give me a moment. Just doing some calculations. I'll keep that there. Make. If you would like more details on the new features built into Windows XP, the Windows Start menu can point you to several options. Windows XP Professional sports a visual design that I assume that you meant to say combines a sleek look, clean lines, and appealing colours with a task-oriented design and exceptionally streamlined design. And now it's time for bash. cd // bash. Alright, let's see if we can actually run Peggle while this is compiling. Not compiling anymore. What What? Alright, well, we're gonna keep Peggle running. Just in there. Did I just make? Yeah, I just made. Make. An automatic mechanism for activating a device at a preset time. That's all you need to know. Done. Core utils. Yes, my favourite. Core utils. Prepare core utils for compilation. Okay. I actually know what I'm doing a little bit more now, so I can just go right through this. Let's do a challenge. Let's do Cleo's about, because why not? I've already done this challenge, but... Oh gosh. Just had a little bit of a lag spike there. Alright, make. Alright, we're building. We'll go back to Peggle. It's lagging a little bit. I hate these 2 terabyte USB sticks for like £5 and $5 and whatever. Yeah, that's a scam. That's... I can understand why you hate them. It's a scam. You got scammed. Oh yeah, there we go. And... I actually didn't get scammed. And also, it might show up as 2 terabytes and it's not 2 terabytes. Trust me. Alright, well, we should probably stop doing Peggle and go right back to LFS. It's the reason I don't trust Amazon. Yeah, I don't trust Amazon, really. Amazon is just... Well, Amazon can be good, but sometimes it isn't. For compilation. My goal is to get a system that runs and that I can run fast fetch on from source, of course. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. Oh yeah, that thing. Actually, what am I doing? I can just type that in. Package manager located in second. No, I don't want details. Interesting who that lady actually is. Alright, let's see. How's the encoding? Alright, we haven't dropped any frames yet, so that's good. Or at least OBS says we haven't dropped any frames. It's probably found in some 6-year-old YouTube video essay. CD. Let's just get rid of some unneeded files. Is anyone actually... Oh yeah, I got my notification. Continue from chapter 5-4 on the LFS stream. Well, we have gone way past chapter 5-4 on chapter 6-10. Let's see, heads. Bop, bop. Zip. How sizing? See, stream health, 6 concurrent viewers, 25 views. Well, we're only like what, half an hour in. So, all right, we're making make. Making make. Right, paste it in the wrong place. Patch. Hold on, I'm gonna take a little, just gonna stop here for a little bit, for a couple seconds while I go and paste. Bop. Did that. Said. XP doesn't want to install, let's try to do my Windows Beta upgrade project. Are in chapter 6. It's 18. Whoever said that chapter 8 was long, it's long. I forgot to make. Oh, okay. Do that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, oh my gosh. This is... Oh, hello, NT Whistler. Welcome to the stream. This is, remove the libtool archive file because it is harmful for compilation. Alright, pass 2. Here we go. CD bin utils. Evan, it's me, a guy from school. You know me. Hi. I do know you. And I do know you on that account. Whale Tech, you know me. Yes, I do. You are. I am not going to say who, but I do definitely know you. 100%. So. Two. Message. What could it be? Oh yeah. I commented on your stream. Get Sniped 2011. Oh yeah, it is definitely. I definitely know you. Well, you know what that means. Oh no, it's lagging. Well, we can work with it, or at least attempt to. Please say hi. Well, hi. Oh my gosh, this is lagging. Right, I'm gonna turn off 3D acceleration and see if that helps. Oh yeah, that definitely helps. Oh my god. Him while I did. What is even happening? Well, we're doing Peggle and installing LFS. That's what we're doing. The orange pegs. So we're getting blue pegs. Oh no, yeah, I can tell that was pixel. Boop. Installing Memphis 1511 and I don't need an AOL client, so I don't care, it's not on the disk. Alright, we're doing GCC again. // GCC. There we go. That. I mean, it's a good game, and it also gives me something to do while I yeah, but this never gets old. Yeah, Peggle just gives me something to do while I do this. There isn't a whale text stream without Peg. Exactly. I'm gonna pin you. I am pinning you. Where is the pin button? There is the pin button. Do. On YouTube. He is. Do you know what? I'm reporting him. I'm going to report user impersonation. youtube.com/gigatech. Submit. Thanks, we've received your report. If you find this content to be in violation of our community guidelines, we'll remove it. Okay, I just reported that Gigatech. To Google. What the? To Wales Extras, okay. From last time. Yeah. I still have the link in my bookmarks. Still have it. Okay, this is taking forever. That means Peggle. Oh no. Big mouse peggle. There we go. How's the compilation? Still compiling. Peggle just gives me something to do while I wait for things to compile. Wide Peggle. Hello, Odd Bike. We're doing LFS again. What chapter are we on? We are on chapter 6.18. We finished on 5.4 last week. Cropped Peggle. Well, it is an old game, and I am using some quotes on it. Whatever. Somebody just pinged me and said that. Get how AOL still supports AOL desktop. Peggle, let's go. Oh, you can really see the pixels. 3D acceleration. So we're right now just using not 3D acceleration because that helps with performance. Let me get it on PC. I can give you the archive.org link if you want. Let's do a duel, because why not? Okay. We're gonna do normal. I'm gonna get that. Let's get a super guide. YouTube is gatekeeping his stream from how? How is it? How is YouTube gatekeeping my stream from me? Quality, so it loads faster. What device are you using? Just asking. There we go. I am back again. Welcome back. Yeah, likes. Isn't it in YouTube's best interest to make you lower your quality? Yeah, it is. Alright, we're just gonna put it on easy. easy, because why not? And then we're gonna up the difficulty. Oh, that was close. What's he gonna do? Yeah, YouTube does lower your quality randomly. Two. Terrible. Small streamers. Yeah, because they find because I'm assuming they find bigger streamers more monetary, so they want people to watch them more than a small creator. Oh well, drinking your water. Yep, I am. Oh yeah, I'm out. I'm out, and I've been gone for an hour. I've been gone for an hour, and I'm out of water. I just lost. Right, where are we? Right, let's be lucky here. Let's try luck. Luck this time. And I think the compilation's finished. No, wait, no, it hasn't! Long cropped peggle. A wide cropped peggle, rather. Oh, it just increases your ball's hitbox. That is literally all it does. It just increases the hitbox of the ball. Yeah, I got it. You're winning. Let's spin. There you go. Kind of useless. Right. Let's play another random level. There we go. Yeah, the flower thing, whatever it's called, and it's still not done. For GCC. Magical power up you can get in Peggle. the stream that's lagging, it's Peggle that's lagging. Yeah, in Duel, if you don't get an orange peg, you get 25% taken off your score, which is just annoying. Yeah, see? Oh, yeah, there we go. The installation to load the screen. I'm so sick of Chromebooks. Yeah, same. I'm so sick of Chromebooks. Like, just Chrome in general. It's rubbish. Please censor. Oh yeah, well I'm not spinning it. I'm not spinning the wheel of whatever it was. Flowers. Wheel of Dread. When Chrome will get separated from Google or make the browser better, I will still not switch from Firefox. Chrome and stuff. Just the current state of Chrome right now is just terrible. I don't really like Google as a company, in my opinion. Let's keep it. Oh. I'm actually going to turn hardware acceleration back on because I want my specs. Hopefully, oh my god. Now I see more Chrome ads in general. Then even a year ago, Chrome is getting more desperate. Yeah, Chrome really is just getting desperate at this point. Sorry. Oracle is the Adobe of VM software. Yeah, VirtualBox. They say it's open source, but is it open source actually? Check. Where are we? VirtualBox open source. What have I just done? Where's the... Oh yeah, there's the source code. There's your source code. And what they're doing to VMware is way worse. Oh yeah, that's why I switched off of VMware and towards whatever it was. Do I still have VMware on my computer? No, I do not. Oh yeah, we are at 100% CPU, so that's probably why. Do you still have VM Workstation Pro Key Cracker? I can get one. I mean, I have nothing wrong with either, but Player 3, Hyper-V, is the worst. Yeah. On 3. How long will this... Oh. Oh, it's done. It's done. It's done. Yeah, VMware Workstation Pro is free now. It's free for personal use. And we are done with chapter 6 of the book. There's 3 more chapters to go. Introduction. This chapter shows you how to build the last bits of the temporary system, tools needed to build the various packages, a true environment can be used with build. By issuing the find command until commands must be run as root with the LFS variable set. Okay, I'm gonna exit and cd mnt/lfs su. I'm in. Ship. What? I guess I'm just gonna -r slash oh. Oh. How do I do this again? I forgot. Ah, there we go. And now we run this command again because I just ran. Okay. Waited. Bap. I have no name. Oh, look at that. I have no name. Also note that the bash prompt will say, I have no name. This is normal because the etc password. in the true root environment. Ooh. Essential files and symlinks. Creating the etc password. The actual password for root will be set later. In your Scratch distro? Yes, I am, because I am using the Linux from Scratch system D book. It's just because I'm used to system D and I don't want to deal with anything else right now. So we have a bop cd sources / get text macOS Mavericks on my iMac, and when I boot it from USB it shows the Apple logo, but not the spinny loady bar. How do I fix that? And I have the proper zip file from Internet Archive. Well, look on the Internet Archive or just anywhere else, really. I'm gonna see if I can find a Mavericks thing, because I think Mavericks is really hard to find. I'll go on Darwin Fetch or something and see what I can find. F10. CD dev Darwin less CD /dev CD Darwin Fetch darwinfetch.sh download an offline installer. 10.9 is not in here. The closest thing you can get to is 10.8 or 10.10. I would honestly just recommend going with the highest that your system supports. Everything in here, I just set permissions on my entire root area, not on the root area, on the root partition. I just set permissions on the regular system, so the Open Mandriva, because I forgot to set $LFS make. And this is can you fix it later? Yeah, this is just a temporary install anyway. I will reinstall Open Mandriva once I'm done with LFS. How's that? And this VM will be deleted once I'm done. The drive will not be deleted. I will just make a new VM and do some of that stuff. But for now, I'm gonna go get some more water. There's not enough cats to name, so sadly it had to go. Well, anyway, I'll be right back once I get my water. did make. Now we need to install BAP cd // yes. My VLC source since the last time I did a stream. I lost my VLC source, so I cannot just have it on shuffle. What got you into Linux? It's been so long that I actually do not remember. So okay. Make. Let's see, I want to just have a tab here to see how many things there are. Okay, so it's a bit more, and look at all the basic system softwares. How many? 84? I'm gonna call them sub-chapters in chapter 8. Alright, well, we're just gonna knock through the Whale Tech 2025. Okay, yeah. Yeah, there's 84 of them. In chapter, there's 84 basically sub-chapters in chapter 8. Just gotta do Python, text info, util Linux, and cleaning up and saving the temporary system. Then we're doing 84. Then we're doing 84 programs. Okay. Making. Oh, yeah. On the raw metal, my main computer is what I meant, but I couldn't. I mean, well, I could, but it would just be a pain to use. Another computer. Ow. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do actually. I'm gonna close out of Peggle. Get my where are we? Make install. So I'm gonna get another computer while Python is compiling. Python. No, not the 2011 Mac Mini, although I could use the 2011 Mac Mini. Just not really bothered to. I'm gonna use the old HP, not the Stream 11, the HP laptop 15S. That has been featured in a couple of videos before and a couple of streams before. I think, new window. Alright, let's see. Let's see here. So we have content and also hint on upcoming video on the 19th. So this, installing Windows and Windows and Windows and Windows. What camera do you daily? I used to use an iPhone 11, but now I use my Google Pixel 8. And this video is the first video that was filmed with the Pixel 8. And you see I took a pretty long break, but it's fine. It's fine. So yeah, this video was filmed on the HP. Scroll down here. This video was filmed with the HP. This video was filmed with the HP. This video was filmed with the HP. And you've made lots of videos. Which video? This video was made with the HP. This video was not made with the HP, but it was made with another computer. This video, same computer. And this video was made with the HP. So yeah, I've made a couple videos with the HP. And with streams, this video was made with the HP. This video, I think, was made with the HP. This stream was made with the HP. Now this one was made with the HP. And now this one's being made with the HP. So, I'm going to go get my capture card now. Wherever I put it. Here. Put it there. Close out of this and see make. Okay, I need a HDMI cable. This should do the trick. Just need one, so this should do the trick. Oh gosh. God, there we go. Bop. I'm back. Welcome back, NT Whistler. What is your favourite mini game from Rhythm Paradise? I have a lot of favourites. I like pretty much all of them that I've tried. So let's test. Does it work? I am scared to click. Oh! Yeah, it works. Can I use Motion JPEG? Yeah, but then it doesn't update. EGR 3 emulated. So, make install. All up and running. Does it not work? Settings. That will do it. Damn, I missed the stream. Well, you haven't missed anything. You've just missed. There's still some stuff left. Yeah, we're only an hour and a half in. This is not we're only an hour and a half in. I usually do longer, so yeah, this is fine. There's still some stuff. Well, I will sort that out later. Whale-Tech streams last like 3 hours. Yeah, so like halfway through. So let's cd /caxinfo. if not slightly more. Because I started early, and yeah, I started early, so I should go for a little bit longer. Well, it is 4 o'clock now, so I normally would have started right now. And that is the joy of starting early. Ah, there's a SanDisk. Oh. Oh, right now. All right. I actually kind of like Surface Packs, not gonna lie. Rather than 2xH1/-2. Alright, we are all done with that. Caching and saving the temporary system. Bop. Back up. Add-ons, yearly updates are more baked into the operating system. We're gonna mount, we're gonna unmount. Create the backup archive with the following command. Bop. I'm not touching this unless I have to. Alright. We're gonna leave it on there. I'm doing the backup. And I'm gonna get, oh my gosh, it's cold. Uh, 2 system. For real. I also found this old, the C64 joystick. I wired it up to Steam and I actually played Peggle with it. I still have the footage and I will probably upload the footage someday. Actually, I could probably upload the footage right now and give you the link. Okay, that's way too much. Hold on, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay. Oh, okay, cut it. Why is it taking so long? Is there like a... Yeah, charge the phone. Alright, well, back up. Type the dose. I'm gonna... We're gonna try this again. So it's -V. Such a file directory. Probably because I put -- verbose. Oh, we have some more. Oh, by the way, my phone is a Nokia. To be fair, it was charged for 80 years, so yes. Like the new one or the indestructible one. Typical Nokia user. Get out. And in the meantime, you know what we're gonna do? Gonna do some pet. Oh yeah, I need to get Peggle running. Don't let the kettle boil, y'all. Alright, well, I'm gonna get Peggle. Streaming 99 minutes ago. A person who thinks all the time has nothing to think about except thoughts. What the flip? going to download the 7-zip archive. Download the torrent. We're going to cancel that. And we're going to use the torrent once I get to Qubit torrent. I'm just getting Peggle on the other computer so I can do. I could literally just get Steam. Okay. Top. The thing, okay. While we do that, just gonna do Peggle in the meantime on my main computer. I'm gonna put this over here so I have a constant I over what it's doing. Start this level. Infinite cheese. Okay, I just have to. I'm empty with soil. Hope you enjoyed your time here, and hopefully you'll be back. Did you just notice? There we go. No problem. No, I just forgot to thank you. Well, no problem. CC1 Plus in user libexec GCC x86-64 LFS Linux GNU 14.2.0. Eight turns. We're still on CC1 Plus. Moved on from CC1 Plus to just CC1. Random level. I'll just put it on. Put the pyramid on. Here we go. Yeah, I'm used to using a trackpad to play Peggle because I use my Steam Deck to play Peggle. Come on, I have to press it. The custom mouse is weird in Peggle Windows. Yeah. I use normally Peggle in full screen, so it's fine. But works flawlessly. Oh, that's what you meant. Yeah, it works flawlessly on the one system that Peggle wasn't supposed to run on. I'm just gonna... Irony at its finest. Yeah. Here we go. Okay, well I have no idea what it's backing up, so... We've got pans done. Files. And with the custom mouse in the weird Peggle window, they've got like weird windowed Peggle pieces. Peggle was supposed to run on. This is a game from 2008, so... This is a game from 2008, I believe, so... Of course Wine's gonna be good with it. Probably better than Windows is. Yeah, I think it might be because Live, Laugh, Love, Wine. Not an emulator because, well, it isn't. It is not an emulator. Concurrent viewers. There we go. Yeah, this is taking forever. Opinion on Debian. Debian is very stable for one, but it's very outdated packages. Debian SID I have just tried for pretty much the first time, and it's actually good. Not as good as Arch, but not as good. Not as good. I won't switch to it. That's what I mean by not as good. Hey, Whale Tech, do you think Arch Linux is good for low-end PCs? Yeah, it can be good for lower-end PCs, but I would honestly use something else. Because Debian supports x86, so 32-bit. So, but Ubuntu is their bane. No, it isn't. It's based on Debian, but it isn't Debian. Mixing up your words there. Ubuntu is just Debian, but worse. It's constant focus towards snaps and everything, and the fact that Ubuntu is owned by an actual company. I don't really like it. Used to love it, but ever since they started moving to that 240p is spiking me. Yeah, ever since they moved to started moving to Snap, it just became horrible. I have an Ubuntu ISO. I'm considering deleting it now. I don't need it. And it uses. Hey, Whale Tech. Sorry, I couldn't hear the thing you said about Arch on low-end PCs. Yeah, I wouldn't use Arch on a low-end PC. I would honestly use something like Debian or something Debian-like, because if your PC is really low-end, then Debian has still support for x86 32-bit. I missed the pay I was going for. Back. I feel 4 gigs of RAM is good on Arch. I don't know. Alright, where is it? I don't know. Yeah, Arch is with that amount of RAM I have now. That moderator saved my life. Yeah, I am the moderator who just. I am the moderator. Tiny Core is also good. Wait, what? Oh. Yeah, Tiny Core I've not really used, but it looks actually interesting. I'm gonna give it a try. I thought you were time now. Sometimes I hate when people say some random sus bull not completing that word. I don't know why. Why am I so bad at Peggle right now? Good morning. Good morning. However you pronounce that. I can't pronounce names right now. I can't. I just can't. Oh gosh, okay. Just deleted. Who just deleted what now? Bad morning. Well, Tech, what's a good Android distro for my low-end PC? None. Don't use Android on a PC. Simple as that. Yeah, I know Android x86 exists, but that's like Android 9, and I just wouldn't use Android on a PC. I would honestly just use Arch. Or an actual computer operating correct. Alright, well that wasn't a bad shot. That wasn't a bad shot. Now that's the pen I wanted to get. It seems in this general direction that they might. Phoenix OS from a random video, I don't know, but it's pretty decent. But it's Android 7. No, it might happen. Book of Chrome. Yeah, it might actually happen because of Chrome getting separated from Google. They might just use Android, make another web browser, use Android on the devices. But what will they do with the Chromebooks? Will they just not be Google? Backing up still. I just have my terminal on my left monitor, Peggle on my center, and my middle monitor. Man, what happened to those laptops that Windows and Linux dual booted and stock config? Even a Chromebook is better than my computer. I just have Arch on it right now because I can. I have Arch on literally everything that can run it. And it's a HP Stream 11. I think it's best to use a Chromebook-like device. The only good thing about Chromebooks are the keyboards. I do not agree. I hate Chromebook keyboards. I hate everything about Chromebooks, really. How are you today? I'm good. How about you? Let me revise that statement. Only some Chromebooks have good keyboards. Yeah, only some do, not all. And all. School Chromebooks. We're gonna have Android support. No, Chrome OS does have Android support. Or at least I think it does. Yeah, but it makes your laptop unusable unless it's x86-64. Yeah, because of Mr. Chromebox, he did a nice custom firmware thing. What am I even doing? Main menu. Since it has translates to ARM. Yeah. Well. If you're struggling to run the stream, turn down your quality until you're okay with running the stream. At least it went in. Peg. There's a full Android laptop for 20. Really? Scam. Yeah, it's probably just a tablet with a keyboard. I could probably make my own Android laptop from scratch without $200. And I'm not talking just use Android on an x86 computer and install and just use that. No, I'm talking like actually get some hardware, build a laptop, or just build like an Android tablet, put it on a screen, put it in a laptop chassis, and there you go. You now have an Android laptop. Do you know what? That's actually a good idea, really. I actually kind of like that idea. That's still 7 billion times better than my dad. Prime book. Prime book. Oh. Prime book? Never heard of it. Prime book India. Tops lies for infinite ambitions. Lies. Oh my gosh. Starting at 12,990 rupees. Every technician deserves a tinsel. I know why they named it that. I guess because they made an OS called Prime. I just went on the Amazon Indian store to see what a Prime book was, and it says delivering to Mumbai, which it's really taking forever. It should be easy as hell, but I'm just bad. I'm actually gonna quit Peggle, and I'm just gonna. Am I just watching a Peggy playthrough? Lol. Peggle. No, I stopped Peggle. I stopped. I mean, that Prime book is a good concept. I hope I get one because it's deep fried, cooked, microwaved, and much more. Two. Oh, same. Yeah, I have two. One is a 16:9 one that you are currently looking at, and one is a 1024:768 one. And this backup is taking an hour. The lag is diabolical. Lag on. Is it lag on your end or is it lag on my end? Oh yeah, I think it's lag on your end. Oh, my PC! I'm guessing it's just because your PC is hot garbage and can't do streams properly. 1080p 60. I'm streaming in 1080p 60. I'll be back. Okay, well, just ran a poll on it, and you guys voted that I should stop here and continue with this tomorrow because this is taking way too long. So I am calling it here for the moment. I will be setting up another stream right now for I'm actually going to make the thumbnail. I'm going to keep the stream going for just slightly more. I'm going to keep the stream going for a little bit more, just because why not? And part 3. This is this is rivaling my Wii U series with the amount of episodes. Well, this is gonna get me monetized. Anyway, studio, let's see. How much watch time do I have in the last 28 days? Let's check. Oh, someone joined the server. Who's the... Oh, I just got an email from... $28 and put it on enter and bold it. Bap, bap, bap. And let's save it as LFS 3. Bap. Now I'm going to go live. Didn't you want to go for 3 hours? Yeah, well, this is getting a little bit boring for me, and I'm sure it's getting a little bit boring for you. So, we're going to reuse from there. I really want to do more live streams more often. Never done this before, but I really want to. Part 3, hopefully hopefully this is the last one. And change to LFS 3. No, next. On Saturday, so we do that. I'm actually going to start at 3 p.m. Done. I'll also set up an event. Yeah, thank you. Somewhere else. Installing LFS. Stream. For the first time. So it will start tomorrow. O'clock and end at 18 o'clock. So, as for the font, no, I use a mix of Matrix and Inter nowadays. I want to have an arch install like this for some reason. What, like my one? POV, you're trying to install Roblox on Linux. Yeah, so I'm calling it here. Thank you everyone for watching and sticking with me. Why do people dislike NeoFetch? Because it's no longer being maintained. So yeah, I'm just letting any last chat messages and questions just come in, and then I'll end the stream. Okay, so yeah, this is it. See you in the next one, which will be tomorrow, hopefully.